Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So I didn't get this out as much as I would have liked, but it's that time. I gotta winterize this thing. So this is the first year I'm gonna have this old boat here over the winter. So I'm gonna get at her and winterize it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the fuel stabilizer in it. So the first thing I'm gonna do right here is throw this stuff in her. So I'm going to get that unwrapped, open up the gas tank, put in how much I need for the size of tank I have, and fire it up. Next, I'm just going to place this here over the intake here. Because you can't start it up without having this covered up. Next, just going to go ahead and connect my hose to it. Alright, I've got that on there now. Just start it up. Next, I'm going to fog the engine. Alright, so I took the cover off, make it a little easier to get at. I'm going to fire it back up and spray this into each cylinder. There, and there until it starts to smoke a bit and run a little rough. And then after that, I'm going to take out the spark plugs on the other side, spray some in there, and then that'll be it for those. On mine, I get this back piece here that holds my sides of my cover on. So I just had to take these 4 bolts out to get at the spark plugs that are in behind. I'm just going to go ahead and spray some more of the fogging oil in there. Okay, see this screw right here? I'm going to take that out to drain the gear oil out of this. I'm going to vent it up here. Then we're going to pump it back in here until it starts to trickle out a bit, then close it back up. Like, as you can see, with it all milky white there, there's definitely water in it. This is the first time I've ever changed this one, so I'm going to go ahead and put new gear oil in it. And obviously you can see the prop is all beat to dog crap here, so that's going to have to be changed before next year. And then I'll keep an eye on things the next time I do it, to make sure to see if anything else needs to be resealed and everything too, to see if what's going on there. But for now, I'm just gonna put the oil in it and keep going on with the winterizing. Okay, so I got some Formula 1 marine oil here, gear oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the bottom screw I took out there, and then I'll pump it until it comes out the top. And what I got here is I got a little pump for it, and it comes with an attachment here, and all you do, it screws inside the bottom screw and then you pump it in. So I just go ahead, take this little attachment that came with the pump, screw it into mine. It comes with a couple different fittings. You pick the one that fits yours, plug it in, and pump away. Okay, you can see here it just came out the top vent there, so now I'm just going to go ahead and throw the screw back in. Okay, now I'm going to quickly unscrew the bottom one here and quickly put in the bottom screw. The top screw will act as a suction there with that one in. That'll keep it from leaking out too much, but I still throw it on there pretty quick anyways. Now that that's on, I'll just tighten it up and it'll be good to go. Next here, you see the grease fitting up there? I'm going to grease up all the fittings I have. Here's one of them. Grease it up with this Mystic High Performance Marine Grease. Just going to put her in the gun here. Just do it till I see a bit come out, and that's it. I'm going to do it to the rest of them, and that'll be it. After that, I got it all back together there. I just got, if you can see, my batteries in there. So just going to pull that out. Just a couple, positive and negative, that's it. So nothing to show you, pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's it for that. I'm going to just cover this up. I got another little some things built out of 2x4 that the previous owner had for this boat, and then the tarp just goes on top of it to keep the snow from going right on this here cover here, because that's not going to do much in the winter, so I'll keep it running off. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on here next couple of days just to keep the snow off. But as far as winterizing it, she's all ready to sit for another winter. So we'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications if you're interested. We have a brand new homestead we've been building over the last year and a half, and we'd love to have you come along. We do lots of different things, solar power things, building, lots of stuff. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.